Wait.
Bailey, are you sad? No?
Justice.
He's like, I'm gonna do what I want to do.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you helping her out?
We're going to hear about how their dream home came.
Hey! You ready?
Oh!
Jax, you be quiet. It's quiet time now. You notice?
You're not getting dinner. You're bad. No, you're not getting dinner.
Mimic, you are not a fucking husky. Get in the house. Mimic, come on.
Okay, whatever. Go. Fucking go. You wanted to go out, now go. Ooh. Are you okay?
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Watch your butt. Don't touch it.
Why do you sit like that?
What was that? Why did you do that? You scared me. Oh my god, I thought you died.
My baby.
Cora! Are you fucking serious?
I said no, ma'am. Tear your butt up.
What happened to your hair? You look like you got shocked by lightning.
Can you punch? Can you punch? Oh, can you punch?
Oh my god!
Howdy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eat your food.
Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits. Sit.
Loud on the bed, you. No! Knock it off. You don't kick my seat. Diesel!
That's too loud. That's better.
Speak. Ryan, Speak. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy.
I'll be right back. Move your nose.
Paw. Thanks, Jasper.
Ezekiel. Yay! What's this?
Fossey, this is your boy. Oh, so you gonna be like that?
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog.
Gigi? Laura! Wow!
Yeah, kitty.
Who's flip-flop? Who's cuddling with my flip-flop? Joey, is this you?
Maya?
Oh my god.
Did you go potty on the floor? You don't go potty on the floor.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my goodness, you alright?
I said no. Hey, I said no. No.
Good morning, Maggie. Oh my goodness.